oli kuwanda boy UG ebya Rema Namakula ne ba B2C nabyo tubikuleetedde ate byo ebya Robert Kyagulanyi Ssanyu Jerere Bambi emmere n'ennyumba ye byonooneddwa nabyo mbikuleetedde naraki ate ye Charles wa Asiyah afulumiza akayimba ke akapya nako tukakuleetedde tobisubwa n'amalala agasingako awo twebazaako mu mwenna ba subscribers baffe mwenna nammwe mwenna abalikinga videos zaffe nti kyemukola kyamaanyi naawe ate na subscribinga tukusaba osubscribing ale tunerabira ba sponsor baffe ba Biva Organic Health and Natural Products nga bano bajjanjabisa obutonde emmere omuddo wamu n'ebibala era nga osobola okubakubirako ku namba yaabwe eri awo wansi wamu ne Hajat Kaloddo omulombi w'edduwa agamba gwe wenna alina ebizibu eby'enjawulo jangu akulombera edduwa oterere era nga osobola okumukubirako naye ku namba ye eri awo wansi katwengereyo n'amawulire gaffe ate go gabadde maziga meerere eri omu ku batuuze b'ekyotera amanyikiddwa nga Hadija Ssengo era nga kigambibwa ono Bambi ebirime bye n'ennyumba ye byonooneddwa abatuuze b'oku kyalo era nga bano Bambi babadde bamusuubiriza okuba nga yaloga abantu ku kyalo era nga bino ebikolwa bikoleddwa nga abadde taliiwo kubanga abadde alina we yalazeeko ne wakomyewo ekimujje enviiri ku mutwe okusanga nga ebirime bye biri wansi n'ennyumba ye nga bagyokyeza era we twogerera essaawa zino famire y'ono omukyala Hadija Bambi bo basaba buyambi kubanga bino ebintu bye babavunaana bo tebabiriimu era bagambako n'abakakiiko we baba nga babalumiriza okuba nga be baloga ekyalo baleete abasawo babakebere ate ye Charles wa Asiyah ye asazeewo amuyimbiremu akayimba era nga maaso awo akayimba kano ngenda kuba nkakutuusaako ak'omukwano era nga kano kalaga kikyawulira eri omwagalwa we Asiyah era ngenda kakuwaako naawe okeewulirireko.
My heart turns around when I dream about Madam Asiyah. My heart I love my heart I feel in my heart I love you. From the bottom, I love you from the bottom of my heart. My heart turns around from the bottom of my heart. So, Madam, baby Asiyah, I love you. Please, I dream about you. My heart turns is since I ever seen you, I didn't sleep. Yes, in my bed. So I love you, Madam Asiyah. Ogugumuka. Please, when I sleep in my bed, please I wake up very warmly. So
ate ye Cindy Ssanyu avuddeyo n'ayogera ku nsonga za Weasel n'agamba nti mu by'abaagalana tasaayo kike naye ate omukyala wa Weasel wavaayo n'aleeta ensonga ze ye kennyini n'azeeyogerera era nga byayogerako bituufu bo Weasel nga abawuuma bajja mukwasa ab'obuyinza bamukoleko naawe kambikuwe obyewulirireko nga ye Cindy Ssanyu abyogera.
Awali abaagalana bagamba tosaawo kikyo. Before I get an official statement from Muchala Weasel Manyini, I suggest to read a collection. There you get it. If it's Weasel, but if it's true, it's happening. It's really wrong. Chivumi as a Ugandan. It's just as a human being. It's wrong to
ate ddyo libadde Ssanyu Jerere olunaku olwaleero Rema wa meetinze ne ba B2C era n'abayambako okupushinga konsati yaabwe gye balinayo awo maaso awo nga 19 guno omwezi era Bambi tubeereyo ffenna tusobole okuwagira ba B2C baffe. Ngenda kulekerako kano ka vidiyo ka Rema okeewulirireko wamu n'aka Bob Wine nga ali ne muwala we akali okutrendinga ku social media zonna. Mwebaleko okumira kuwanda boy UG tubaagala nnyo omukama abatukuumire.
Abavubuka nze mbalina era nga bw'obalaba naye nga kyekiro August Freedom City. Oh my God. Teri kulanga je tuli nnyo tulino sabu obadde August Freedom City guys muje bambi mwagire ba brother bange bambi muje mbalaga omukwano. I can't wait to see you guys. Muje tubayimbe muziki guys. Come show us some love.
tulina naye ku kino.
How do you range the smartness in your class? who's the first, who's the second, who's the third.
Yeah.
And the third, Asiyah is the first, Ryan is the second.
Who's Asiyah? Who are those? Tell me about those guys.
Asiyah is a brother.
Mm-hmm.
His full name is Asiyah Alpha AJ.
Mm-hmm.
That's the short of his name.
Uh-huh.
He's a brother and he always spends his time sometimes in the dormitory. He's a very smart boy. He just answers for like university.
Like university. Uh-huh.
And Ryan, he's also a genius. Every time they compete to see who raises up the hand the fastest. Ryan's like this, teacher me. And so he has like this, teacher, here, teacher.
And you? Why do you hide? I mean, you're the third smartest. At least you should raise like this. We're not hiding.
No, but Tata, I know the answers. I know the answers in a full sentence. I know the answers correctly in my mind. Fact, Seguia and Ryan, they do not know the answers. They're just putting up their hands because the teacher picks them, and they give a wrong answer. They think that they'll get a sweet.
Okay, tell me, is there a time that Seguia has ever failed to give the correct answer and you succeed? Really?
Yeah, they asked him what is a family. He said a family is a group of people living and working together. But that was wrong. That was our community. But
okay.
I raised up my hand and I said a family is a group of people related by blood, marriage, or adoption. I got a sticker.
You're smart, eh? You got a sticker. What
My
kind?
book.
Okay.
But you should improve on your hand raising in class.
I have a good handwriting.
No, hand
raising.
What Mama says, is that when the boys put up their hands, you put up yours too.
Confidently.
You know, it makes the rest of the girls also confident. It shouldn't be just a boy competition, you know.
I raise up my hand like this. Teacher me. But mostly in reading, I mostly do not put my hand up.
Why?
Because the work is hard.
What work?
Like she gives opposites, but those are not the nice opposites. Like
Opposites.
Like yes, she gave the word picture. People are failing it like nothing.
The word picture.
No, the word picture's opposite.
Opposite or open?
Opposite.
What is the hardest word to read?
Photosynthesis.